How to be original in your app development. What's up guys, it's Takuya here. I'm a solo developer of InkJob. I'm living off of this product now. And I'm enjoying my life that does not need to catch a free packed train to go to work every morning in Japan. Well, let's talk about how I became to be able to build a profitable product. As you know, it's basically hard to build things that people just want to buy. You have to be different, and you have to be original in your work, so that your work can be outstanding in your market. I've mentioned in my blog post that you should create a product that which you want to buy. But how to find it, and how to become able to build it? First, decide that you are going to sacrifice your life for the application development. What does that mean? There are many great people in sports, science, art, business, and so on. They are brilliant and you think you want to be someone like them. But you decided to make softwares. You chose not to become a rock star or a Nobel Prize winner, right? That means you will not go to any other domains or professions but application development. You will devote a lot of time to programming, design, marketing, etc. At least, otherwise you can't be outstanding in anything. Yohji Yamamoto, a famous fashion designer based in Tokyo and Paris, who I love his design, told about how to become a real creator in his interview. When you are going to be or you are dreaming about to be creator, you have to decide that you are going to sacrifice your life for the beauty. And
long obedience in the same direction. You sacrifice. That's it.
So that's how it starts, sacrifice.
Yeah. This is it. I really agree with him. Long obedience in the same direction you sacrifice. Why do you have to sacrifice your life? That's because your time is just limited. You don't have enough time to do everything you want, unfortunately. Hiroshi Ishii, a professor at MIT, repeatedly mentions that life is too short, like sand spills down from between your fingers. That's why he is always running. But you don't have to be afraid of sacrificing your life, because that's just the result of the days they have been pursuing what they love. It's even fun. DHH, the creator of Ruby on Rails and CDO at Basecamp, mentioned about how important focusing on your own work is in his blog article, The Day I Became a Millionaire. I began to appreciate even more intensely that flow and tranquility were the true sources of happiness for me all along. He says that after he became a millionaire, money itself isn't the true source of happiness. Do not waste your invaluable time to care about other people's success. Focus on your own work. And that makes you you. Second, start copying which you love. Picasso once said that good artists copy, great artists steal. And Steve Jobs often used this quote, by the way. Musicians usually start from copying existing music they love. Scientists start from studying the existing researches in which they are interested as well. Luckily, we developers have tons of open source projects which you can look into their source code. So if you have an OSS project which you like, you can understand how they built it. That's an awesome thing in software industry. Paul Graham, a founder of Y Combinator, said in his book called Hackers and Painters, hackers likewise can learn to program by looking at good programs, not just what they do, but at the source code. In Japanese, copying the existing work is called shakyo. People also call shakyo when they copy programming codes word by word. So copy and copy and copy. This task may seem unnecessarily redundant, but no, it does have meanings. For example, you may think that one existing work looks very easy to make, and you guess you can do that without a big effort at first. But after copying it, you will find that how difficult it is, and you will understand which skill you are lack of now. At the same time, you may find that what is fun in creating things in that way. By the way, I'm a drummer and have copied many rock songs. When I listen to a music, I can understand which technique is used in the song and how difficult it is to play. That makes music more fun to listen. Likewise, when I use a web service and found something great, I open up Web Inspector and look into how it works and take screenshots and memos. That's always inspirational and interesting to do. In addition, as you copy more existing works, you will have your own perspective, dimension, and sense little by little. When you saw other people's work from your own aspect, you would think, I would do it like this. That would be the source of your originality. Third, the next step is to add your idea to copied work. You may think, is it cool to make a thing based on existing idea or work? Yes, it is, because everything is a remix. Kill Bill, a movie written and directed by Quentin Tarantino, is known as one of films overwhelmingly based on existing other films. This footage is made by filmmaker Kirby Ferguson. Paul Graham also says in his book, the way to create something beautiful is often to make subtle tweaks to something that already exists, or to combine existing ideas in a slightly new way. I guess what Picasso meant that stealing is creating new things based on the existing things. So steal, and steal. Be a creative copycat. Then you will find yourself. Actually, my app, Inkdrop, is partly based on GitHub's Automator for implementing its plugin system. So to wrap up my key points in this video, the strategy to find your originality is: first, to decide to sacrifice your life for the app development. Second, to start copying which you love. Third, to add your idea to the copied work. Yes, it is not easy. It will be lonely, will make you anxious, and takes a very long time. Marshes, one of the great software developers who made Pinboard, says in his blog post that a one-person business is an exercise in long-term anxiety management. So I would say, if you are already an anxious person, go ahead and start a business. You are not going to feel any worse. You've already got the main skill set of staying up and worrying, so you might as well make some money. So you are okay. Don't look back and don't worry, don't care other people, and go ahead, just focus on your work. That's it. That's the strategy how to be original in your app development. Hope that's helpful for your app devs. If you enjoyed this video, please push the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more videos like this one in the future. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.